Hi guys. Um, I am just clicking a little bit around in our shop, and I have I know that we have it, and I'm using it since years. We have some quite nice calculation tools for different occasions. We have a calculation tool for underfloor heating. We have a calculation tool for sanitary installation. We have a calculation tool for radiator installation, and a calculation tool for um, residential ventilation. I don't know if you know, because on our standard website, you cannot find it. You have to log in into our shop, and then you are able to use it. Let me show it to you. Wait a second. Let me show it to you. So that is our shop. Um, Quite easy. If you have not registered, just click on register, and then you can fill in all your credentials like email address, your customer number if you already have one. Quite everything what you have, just fill it in. We will receive this one, and we will create your account. And after that, you can click on calculation. Now I'm not logged in. I have to log in as well, of course. Now I'm logged in. And in the shop, you will have, I mean, you have seen it before. This is the calculation button. So if you click on it, you see all the possibilities what you have: underfloor heating, sanitary, radiator installation, and residential ventilation. Today I'm going for an underfloor heating calculation. Let's click on it, and we can start here quite easily. Project name, Joe's test installation. Project number 549, and the project address is Maincore. Where is my Straße 14, 944, Schweinfurt. Now, after filling in the project address, we have to make an energy assessment. The energy assessment, basically, you're making an estimation on how many energy is needed to heat up the building or the room. The thing is, like old building, 80 watts per square meter fits quite well. Now, in those days when you are building houses, I mean, new buildings, 60 watts per square meter. The new houses which are built right now are insulated very good, and therefore I would like to go for energy efficient building. That's more common these days, that you are around 50 watt per square meter. Number of elements, in that case, of course, it's number of floors. I'm going for one floor, and then I'm clicking next. After that, I'm going to be asked for each element or floor, however you want to call it, floor, or if you have a bigger house, let's say, if you have wings, for instance, like let's say I'm going to a west wing today, and then of course you can call it wings, whatever. Number of rooms, 3 in that case. Next. So now I'm all set. My first element is like the first floor with 3 rooms: room 1, room 2, and room 3. So I can fill in a room description like kitchen. I have used that one before. Bedroom and living room. Let's choose that one. Heating surface in the kitchen, 8 square meters, bedroom 12, and living room 25. My manifold is in the living room. So to the kitchen, which is next to the living room, I'm having 6 meters connection line. So that is meant the connection between the room as such and the manifold. To the bedroom, I have 8, and to the living room, I'm only having 2, as the manifold is in the living room. with the lay system, we are talking about the mounting system. So if you click on that little button, you will have all our systems inside. Some translations, I have to say, are a bit odd to me. Terminal strip system, of course, it's nonsense. I would rather call it a rail system. So in that case, it's rail system. Stapler is clear, rail system. Positioning panel plate is the knob plate, or yeah, in that case, positioning panel plate is okay. Dry walling element is the dry construction system. And wall heating, of course, mini size system is our mini system. Okay, but in that case, I'm going for stapler. Insulation, I'm choosing the standard insulation roll 30-2. And installation distance is the distance meant, we are meaning the distance between the pipes. For the kitchen, I'm going to 15. For the bedroom, also to 15 centimeters. And for the living room, I'm leaving it with 10. The room thermostat, surface mounted, absolutely all right. The pipe, I'm not using a 17x2, I'm using a 16x2. The cabinet, of course, the cabinet in which the manifold is located in that case, I do not want to have it pre-assembled, but of course you can also choose to have it pre-assembled. So that means our workers are pre-assembling your cabinet. So if you want to save some time and energy, we are doing it for you. So not pre-assembled cabinet distributor. I'm using a distributor stainless steel. DMM stands for flow meter. So this is also something what we have to work a little bit on. And the distributor, of course, is the manifold. Connection strip heating. Yes, that's enough. You could choose none or even heating and cooling, but in that case, heating is enough. Next. Now, the calculation has been done. Directly below connection strip, you see the calculation quite easily. The pipe meters, 72. So for the kitchen, 72 meters of pipes are needed. And in that case, it means one heating circuit. In the bedroom, 102 meters are needed, one heating circuit. And in the living room, 280 meters are needed with 3 heating circuits then, of course. The heat load, 400 watts, 600 watts, and 1250 watts. You could choose here to split up between 2 manifolds, but for me, 1 manifold is enough, and then I'm calculating the demand. Now I have to wait a few seconds, and I'm having the demand here. So this is the assessment, the demand assessment. The article number, the article, the demand, how much I would order, the unit, and your prices. In that case, that's not your prices, of course. These are our standard gross prices. Of course, when you look into the system, you will see your prices. The demand and the order is a bit different. We need, for instance, 45 square meters of insulation roll. As you know, our insulation roll is packed in units by 10 square meters. So it has been just calculated upwards to the next unit size. You could add to this one additional articles for yourself, whatever you want. And then you can click save. Now it's saved to the calculation list. If you go back to calculation, let's just click here. You will see below these buttons your project list. So what it is, underfloor heating calculation, the project name, the project ID, and the date when it has been done. You can delete it. That's one gone now. or you can work on it again. Now we have it. We could change things again. And of course, we have to click on calculate demand again. And you can add the things to the basket. I have things already in my basket. Let's just check it. Aha. I have things in my basket. I would need to remove them because I have made some calculations earlier and have not ordered it. But you can, of course, remove things from your basket, as you can see quite easily. And basket is empty. Let's go back to calculation again. Open it up. Of course, I have to click on it. Calculate demand. Move it to the basket. And now, as you can see, I have it in my basket in the cart. Display cart. And then I can see it and could order it. Just continue to next step. That's how it works. I think it works quite easily, as you can see. I would, if you have any questions, just ask me. Log into our shop system. Try it for yourself. It's very easy. Even I can do it. So why not also you? Have a great day. Bye.